Yo, what's good, y'all? What's good? Put this down real quick. Yo, what's good, y'all? What's good, y'all? How y'all doing? It's been a minute. Nah, I'm bugging. It hasn't been a minute. It's literally been like a week. Um, it's a little short video. You know what I'm saying? It's a little something like. I haven't been getting content on like that, or as much as I want to. Um, it's only been like a week. As I said before, it's only been like a week. Yeah, what's it called? Niggas going to college and shit. Niggas is really occupied. As you can see, I got this Dewey on. You know what I'm saying? I got the little Dewey on. I don't got to cut because niggas do not have time for cuts. Niggas is in and out. College home. You feel me? It's stressful. So it ain't like, But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope I made y'all laugh. But yeah, I love y'all. Stay safe. Yo.
The bro about to raise you up? Nah, that actually kind of tough.
Yeah,
I'm not
that
gonna
was
hold
actually
you.
kind of tough.
That
That was
was kind
actually
of
kind of
tough.
tough.
That's
That
kind
was
of
kind of
tough.
tough.
That's kind of
That was kind of
tough.
tough. Okay.
Not gonna lie, bro. You're still a little too
Was that
ugly
wait?
for
Is
this,
my
bro. I'm
camera
not gonna
blurry,
hold
bro?
you.
Not really. It's valid.
People been saying my camera's blurry.
Nah, that's crazy.
My mother, hold on, where my camera at? If you watching this, bro, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, pull up in your room and take your butt respectfully, bro.
Yeah, we both gonna take it, but.
Baby, can you pick up the phone? I just wanna talk shit. Don't know why you're doing me wrong. I done did a lot for you.
But I'm really not dark.
Oh shit, you dark as hell.
Just
I don't know about y'all monkeys. Let me chill.
Yo,
Yo,
what's good, gang?
what's
That
good,
nigga
gang?
voice on here sounds majestical. His shit sounds beautiful, bro.
For
Chill.
real?
It's
That nigga a
valid.
YouTuber or something. It's
YouTuber?
definitely valid.
Oh, you
Yeah.
a YouTuber?
Nah, I don't do YouTube.
Oh,
What you do?
I play games.
Oh,
oh,
that's
you
all.
be streaming and
You got
shit?
a Twitch?
Nah, I don't got Twitch.
You got Kick?
Nah, I don't got kick.
That nigga capping.
What do you got?
I don't got shit. I don't be doing shit.
You
Them
pissing me
streaming,
off.
bro. I swear to God, the streaming niggas always be lying. They
Bro,
up and
All right. We're gonna let you go now. One day, if I'm scrolling on TikTok or something and I see you, bro, I'm gonna hunt you down.
What do you mean by that?
I'm just be honest. I'm gonna
you
hunt your.
you might find something on TikTok.
Oh, what is it? What is it? Just tell us.
I'm not posting shit, but you might find something.
See, this nigga pissing me off.
Yo. Oh,
Oh my god, I saw you on TikTok.
you did.
No, nigga.
I'm just saying, like, yo, everybody be saying that shit. I'm like, what
You
the
thought,
fuck?
nigga. You thought, nigga. One day.
Man, fuck them kids, bro.
That part smells so good.
Phantom?
My butt.
Phantom.
Never mind.
I thought it was Phantom and Casa.
What?
Homo,
Yeah,
homo.
bro. Hey,
Jaden, bro.
Seven.
Yo, Jaden, bro.
Yo, Jaden. Yo, furry hat, bro. What are you doing?
What is he?
Yo, Jaden, we gotta ask you a question.
Oh, I get it now. Jaden does not play 2K, bro.
He played with a different
Jaden
type of
does
ball.
not play
He played with a
2K,
different type of
bro.
ball.
Hey, Can.
What are you doing? Are you naked, nigga?
Yeah.
Oh, y'all are weird.
Bro, play with a different kind of ball.